Hi guys, today I'll be cooking quinoa in coconut milk. Welcome to Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. This is our raw quinoa. Quinoa is a very healthy alternative to rice, and I decided to add some mung beans to it, which is also very high in protein. Stay tuned for more. So this is my grated garlic and my onions chopped up in small pieces. Firstly, I'm gonna saute the garlic and onions until slightly brown in color, just to release those amazing flavors. I'm doing it in 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. As you can see, it's now slightly brown. Yeah, and it's smelling so good. So it's now time for us to add our mung beans, which is pre-soaked, because it cooks faster when you pre-soak it. So this is about a half cup mung beans, and we're gonna just mix it up with the garlic and onion. So we're just gonna continue to mix it up so that those flavors are distributed evenly. And then we're gonna add salt. So you could add salt to your taste. I'm adding about I think it's 2 teaspoons sea salt. I'm using the Himalayan pink salt. So we continue to just mix it up. You can't afford to have, you cook your food and the part of your food is salty, and so you just stir it up and mix it up nicely. So I'm gonna cover it for a short while to allow the mung beans to cook. And you could always shake it and cover after a short while, stir it. And for you to make sure that the mung beans is cooked, you can just pick out 1 or 2 and just press them with your fingers. And if it mashes well, then you know that it's well cooked. So I'm gonna add about a teaspoon of annatto powder. I just love the color that annatto gives to my food. Even in my soap making, I add annatto. When I do butter, I add annatto. I just love annatto. So now I'm adding 1 cup of pre-soaked quinoa, and we're gonna mix it up together with the mung beans and the garlic and onions, the annatto, so that everything is just mixed well. So now we're gonna add 2 cups of coconut milk and cover it, allow it to cook on very low heat until it's completely dry. So I've already added the milk. I apologize for missing out on the recording. I thought I was recording, but unfortunately I wasn't. So my apologies. So after a few minutes, there you go. It's all cooked. Though it's not very clear that it's grainy. I'm gonna allow it to cool, and then afterwards, can you see after cooling? It's grainy. It sure looks like rice. And yes, I agree. Quinoa is an alternative to rice, especially if you want to go the healthy way. Try quinoa, and you could always cook it your way, but I wanted to try it in coconut milk because I love coconut. Everything coconut I like. So yes, and with that mung beans and that color of annatto, Yes, I think this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna cook that even this Christmas. There you go. Quinoa in coconut milk. Thanks guys for watching and for always coming back to watch my videos. Thanks for subscribing, and please do subscribe. Hit that notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.